You are scrolling through social media and you see someone living your exact dream life. They are traveling to Tokyo, driving your dream car, or showing off their massive financial success. What is your immediate, unfiltered internal reaction? Do you feel genuine joy for them? Or does a tiny voice in your head say, they probably cheated to get that, or they just got lucky, or rich people are greedy, they just love to show off? Welcome to episode 7 of the Advanced Manifestation Protocol. Today, we are talking about the ultimate master-level hack of reality creation. It is also the number one reason why millions of people keep themselves poor and stuck. When you judge the wealthy, the successful, or the happy, you are actively destroying your own future. It's time to learn how to bless the enemy. To understand why jealousy destroys your manifestation, we have to go back to our core architecture, the projector model. In the ultimate truth of the simulation, there is no other. The external world is a 100% complete projection of your own consciousness. Everyone and everything you see is just a mirror reflecting your internal frequencies. So, let's look at the mechanics of what happens when you see someone else with your dream car. Your reality engine has successfully rendered the frequency of wealth. It spawned the car into your physical matrix. It is testing your vibration. But instead of celebrating that your code is working, your ego gets triggered because the car is attached to someone else's avatar. You react with bitterness, gossip, or judgment. When you do this, you are sending a massive high voltage command to your four bodies that says, I hate this reality, I resent this frequency, I judge wealth. Your projector instantly obeys. It says, understood. The avatar hates the frequency of wealth, deleting this timeline immediately. You literally push the reality away from yourself because your emotional body refuses to be a vibrational match to it. If you want to pull that reality into your own experience, you must do the exact opposite of what your ego wants. You must genuinely bless the people who have what you want. When you see that successful person, you must look at them and say, I completely bless your success. I celebrate your abundance. Thank you for showing me that this reality is possible in my matrix. By blessing them, you drop your resistance. You align your frequency with the experience of wealth, completely bypassing the ego's obsession with who owns it. Now, I know the human avatar is stubborn. Sometimes you absolutely cannot stand the person who has the thing you want. If the person triggers you too much, bypass them. Bless the object instead. Look past the driver and say, wow, that car is a beautiful piece of engineering. I bless the existence of that car. As long as you generate the frequency of appreciation, you magnetically pull that timeline toward your own avatar. But what if you try to bless them and you find that you simply can't? What if the jealousy is too strong? But let's be totally honest. If you are vibrating with intense jealousy and you force yourself through gritted teeth to say, I bless them, you are faking the frequency. The universe does not read your words, it reads your code. If your emotional body is screaming with resentment, your fake blessing will not magnetize anything. This means you have deep-seated poverty consciousness and jealousy programs running in your system. To fix this, we use our BodyMaitre charts. I asked the Collective Angelic Team, CAT, what are the top 3 elements blocking people from genuinely blessing those who have what they desire? The CAT revealed 3 major ego traps. Let's expose them so you can clear them. Number 1, justifying fault-finding to deceive yourself. When you see someone succeed, your ego feels threatened. To protect itself from feeling inadequate, it immediately starts hunting for flaws. Sure, he has a mansion, but his marriage is probably falling apart. She has my dream body, but she's probably shallow. You deceive yourself into believing they are flawed so you don't have to face your own lack of manifestation. But listen closely. When you hunt for faults in the successful, you are programming your reality engine to associate success with flaws. You are telling the universe, don't make me successful because I don't want to be flawed. You must stop the fault finding. Number 2, the self-imposed martyr. This is a massive spiritual trap. Many people subconsciously wear their struggle, their poverty, and their lack of success as a badge of honor. You tell yourself, I may not be rich, but at least I'm a good, honest, spiritual person. This is the Martyr program. It operates on the toxic belief that suffering makes you holy and abundance makes you corrupt. If your spiritual body holds a Martyr program, you will actively repel wealth, and you will physically cringe at the thought of blessing a millionaire because it violates your identity as the noble sufferer. Number 3, looping in unloved, criticism, and resentment. This is the deepest root cause. When you do not feel unconditionally loved and worthy within your own avatar, you operate from an empty cup. Because you feel unloved, you look at someone who has what you want, and the pain of your own unworthiness triggers criticism. That criticism festers and rots in your emotional body, turning into deep, bitter resentment. Resentment is the absolute opposite of the receiving frequency. It is a thick lead wall that blocks all blessings from entering your 4 bodies. You cannot afford to keep these programs in your system. Grab your BodyMaitre charts today, douse and look inside your 4 bodies. Ask your cat, am I running the fault-finding deception? Am I playing the self-imposed martyr? Am I trapped in the unloved and resentment loop that blocking me to manifest the life I desire? Are there energies or patterns within my 4 bodies that blocking me from genuinely feeling joy for their success? When you find them, use the BodyMaitre command immediately. Clear that toxic program out of your system and transform it to love-based programming. Once it is transformed, your avatar will naturally align with the frequency of joy. You will look at a successful person and feel a genuine, effortless thrill because you know their success is just a preview of what is coming to you. You are the conscious architect of your reality. Stop fighting the mirror. Stop judging the reflections. Start blessing the entire simulation and watch how quickly the simulation blesses you back. I'm Darreck. Thank you for joining me on the Advanced Manifestation Protocol. Keep your projector clean and keep creating.